All right, guys, we are back. We are in the field. I have a 2001 Pontiac Bonneville. Was not planning on doing this today, so I don't have a tripod or anything, so we'll do our best. We are replacing a fuel tank sensor pressure thingy. AS302 to get rid of a check engine light P0452, I think. I'll have to look that up and see. So we just need to get right into that guy here and get into that fuel tank so we can do what we need to do to get rid of that code. We've already replaced the gas cap. That didn't do it, but it needed to be replaced anyway. So let's kind of sneak in here. I'm guessing that's going to be an 8. Nope, smaller. There we go, it's a 7. All right, so we're gonna remove all of these screws and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Let's see. Oh, there we go, much better. So we got those guys removed. There's our pressure sensor. It's in right here on top. So, looks like I just pulled up on that guy. Let's pull that out. Where is my new one? I think it's just gonna wiggle out. I'm not exactly sure. All right, so what I can see, I think it's just a pressure fit in there. It just has a little rubber grommet there. So we are going to get our pliers because my hands don't like to work. Oops. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. There we go. Up it comes. Ooh, you can smell the fuel now. So that's what we took out. We're just gonna get it to wiggle back into place here. There we go. Push it back in. Get my finger out of the way. Go, plugged back in. There we go. Then what you want to do is go in and clear the codes. And that should be problem solved. Anyway, if I get to bore you putting the cover back on, make sure you put that back on when you're done. And then you're done. Anyway, give us that thumbs up. Quick and easy if you have a code for your pressure switch. We will see you all next time.